Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to avoid ferries on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to avoid ferries on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone, and after you have opened your Google Maps application guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen and this kind of interface will appear, and you can see guys over here at the bottom you can see the settings option just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings, and on this interface again scroll down to the bottom of the list where you'll be able to find the navigation settings over here. Tap on navigation settings, and over here again scroll down and you can see guys over here it says the avoid tolls, avoid highways and avoid ferries over here. In order to avoid ferries on the Google Map route, make sure the avoid ferries toggle icon is turned on to blue, and then whenever you go on a route from the Google Maps you'll start to avoid ferries. And guys, this is how to avoid ferries on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.